for fusion energy over the next few years, we are going to be working closely with the fission energy side of the house to truly learn what technology advancements are they seeing, what challenges are they seeing. It's an opportunity for us in the next few years to watch, learn, listen, and engage. Currently, right now, what we are hearing is truly the demand for energy, truly the demand for a diversified energy sources. But for fusion, it is critical for us to, one, advance the technology as quickly as possible, identify the suppliers, and one of the top questions is how are we going to train and prepare our workforce?
We are able to pull from the university students. We're actually able to place students a lot of times in positions. We're actually able to help with capstone projects a lot of times with the engineering departments. So it gives students real world exposure to the manufacturing environment and opportunities that way. Typically we have one or two grad students working with us at any given time at our different locations across the state. And the fact that we are multiple universities across the state lets us reach out to the whole state.
So a piece of advice I would give to the industry sector to advance their fusion energy capabilities and or engagement with the fusion technology arena is truly to make us aware, be visible to us, make us aware of your technology. And many times a lot of our manufacturers are unaware that they themselves can diversify. They're currently supplying to one industry and they're completely unaware of the fact that they too can modify their technology to actually play a very pivotal role in the fusion energy sector. So truly, if they get engaged with TMAC and they discuss their technology and with our awareness of the needs that are happening right now in fusion energy, we can help them either enter into that fusion energy technology sector and or at least be visible to us so that we can get them more business and into other energy sectors.
Public and private sectors can continue supporting the fusion initiative and fusion industry by just getting involved, I think, with what's coming down the pipe, especially here in Texas. We were lucky enough to have House Bill 14 passed, which is allowing development and funding for a lot of the initiatives, and just bringing the academia together, the actual technical schools together, and the EDCs in the various areas contributing to the workforce development for something like this is going to be a pivotal part of what we need to do. So putting those partnerships together, working in collaboration is going to be a key to being successful in the fusion industry.
I think one of the pivotal things that industry can do is truly educate themselves. And so we talked a lot about getting involved, but we also talked about educating yourself, not just as an industry, but also our universities. So it is very important for everyone to realize that just 2 weeks ago, the fusion energy roadmap has been announced by the Department of Energy. So get a hold of that roadmap from Fusion Energy and also look at the Fusion Energy report. So there are two, and if they get involved with the Fusion Industry Association, all of these reports are on their website. So it's very critical for them to educate themselves, to be aware of what public-private partnerships exist and how they can get involved. So during the next few years, it is very critical. So we are looking at fusion energy, as Dr. Andrew Schoen pointed out. It is the technologies that are currently advancing, the HTS magnets. Very important, they're going to go into multiple industries. At the same time, for fusion energy over the next few years, we are going to be working closely with the fission energy side of the house to truly learn what technology advancements are they seeing, what challenges are they seeing. It's an opportunity for us in the next few years to watch, learn, listen, and engage. So now is the time to build a coalition around fusion energy as the next alternative energy source for us to bring to Texas.
And I mean, fusion energy is the ultimate energy for the future, I believe. I think Texas is uniquely positioned to help bring that energy source to reality. We have the academic backgrounds here. We have the support from our government here. We have the workforce here. We just have to develop that workforce and get it, down the path to actually meet that need. If we don't, we're actually already behind the eight ball with development with nuclear here in the country. So it is imperative that we catch up and be the leaders in fusion.